Happy Webtoon Wednesday. Of course, the best day of the week, naturally. Today I'm going to be talking about surviving as a maid. So this is actually a really interesting webtoon. It's a little different than other ones that I've read. Aside from, kind of being like the cliche, someone was reincarnated in someone else's body that's in the past or from a book or, yada yada. This girl gets reincarnated as a maid to the queen. And this is in a book that she has originally read. And it's actually like, the book she was reading was like a yaoi romance where the king was married to the queen, but he was in love with this dude. So he was having like an affair, right? So he basically just keeps the queen in the queen's palace and leaves her alone. She does get pregnant and gives birth, and that's when our main female character actually appears in the body, is when the queen is giving birth to the new baby. Now, it's kind of ironic, and I'm kind of waiting to see where the story plays, because the baby, he ain't look nothing like the king. Okay? The king has black hair, this baby has blonde hair, just like the king's mistress. So like the dude that the king is in love with, the baby looks like him. So I'm kind of wondering if like maybe the king couldn't have babies, and so he had his lover get the queen pregnant. I'm not sure. I don't know. So far there hasn't been any sex. There hasn't been any violence. A lot of it just has to do with this maid is literally just trying to survive, and how, because in the story you get certain different perspectives. So what she read, you get a different perspective than what her perspective is now as the maid, and seeing how much the queen is suffering and how depressed the queen is, it's actually rather sad, and she feels really bad for the queen. So she's just trying to survive as the maid, and then she becomes the baby's caretaker. So instead of being just a regular maid, now she's in charge of taking care of the prince 24/7. So it's her. There is a guard that is also protecting the baby, and then a magician also comes into play. Now, in the book that she read, basically everyone falls in love with the king's lover, right? So all the knights, the magician, like for some reason everyone falls in love with him, and they take his side and eventually end up betraying the queen. And she knows this because she read the book. So the story is not over. There's 35 chapters. I've only read 34, so I'm really interested in the next one. But the artwork is really cute. Well, not really cute, but the artwork is really well done. And I really find the storyline interesting because the female lead is a very strong character. And this is kind of the way that the book, or the main webtoon, the way that the webtoon is going, I kind of feel like this is going to return into a reverse harem that she doesn't realize it's going to happen, because she's thinking all these other people or all these dudes are interested in the emperor's lover. So she doesn't see them as anyone who would be interested in being with her. She sees them as that she's not their type. So I am interested in seeing how this story is going to play out. I like it a lot. I would recommend it so far. I haven't found anything where I've just been like, I don't like that. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any recommendations for me, please let me know. Alright, thanks everyone. Bye.